Good morning. Welcome to Vari Wellness. Okay, dear friends. Now I am going to tell you one thing. That is how to reduce or cure running nose, then breathing problem and phlegm without any medicine, without any English medicine. How we can cure these diseases? That is breathing problem, running nose, phlegm, etc. For this purpose, I demonstrate two yogas. That is, one is yoga mudra and another is malsyasana. Okay, this, for your information, for these yogas, no need to reach this yoga in perfect condition. According to your body's flexibility, you can do this. Maybe it is coming old people or young people or child also coming. According to the body condition, according to the flexibility of the body, you can do this. Okay. Now I am demonstrating first yoga, that is yoga mudra. Sit like this, and your hand must be back and interlocking. Okay. Then do your forehead or nose gently touch the ground. Okay, like this. I just demonstrate it. Okay. Forehead. The next time I gently touch my nose to the ground. Okay. Okay. Like this you do, and try to breathe through the nose. Okay. When you are breathing through the nose, you cannot get breathe through your nose. But don't worry, you try to breathe through your mouth. Okay. Then take another posture I am going to tell you, that is malsyasana. That also I just demonstrate to you how we can do. Okay. Sit like this and fold your leg like this or like this. Anyway, according to your convenience, you can do. Okay. Then you just lie like this, and take your hand and come to your ear, and just with the help of your hand, you just up your hand and twist your neck like this. Okay. Doing the malsyasana, do like this according to my demonstration, and with the help of your hand, just twist your neck maximum. Okay. Then try this time. What happen? Automatically your mouth will be open. The temptation have to open the mouth. Okay. Just try to close your mouth and try to breathe through the nose. Okay. If the breath is not coming through the nose, just open your mouth and take a breath accordingly. Okay. Then you come to the normal posture, and after 2-3 minutes relaxation, you try it again and try to breathe through the nose accordingly. Maybe that time also your nose will be not open. Don't be panic. Please try to open your mouth and breathe accordingly. Okay. Come to the normal posture and take 2-3 minutes relaxation, and come to the posture again, and try to breathe through the nose. This time maybe your nose will be open with a needle hole. with a needle hole open through in your nose, and the breath will be coming through the nose. Okay, that's a good symptom. That is a good encouragement.